Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, I would like to talk to you guys about Amazon FBA. I know that I've been making a lot of videos on this topic recently, but since I started Amazon FBA, what have I learned from it so far? Especially for something that us expediters, could, take note of, and maybe this is something that we could do on the side and make extra income. Guys, I have figured out that it is possible to make money, and right now, the way things are going, I see that it is possible at least to make extra $800 to $1,500 a month. Just kind of doing, like barely and stuff, and this is using your spare time to go shop for some items, to send to Amazon and stuff like that. Not investing a lot of money to do it. Let me give you a quick example. Just the other day, I went into Walmart. I looked at the clearance items, and I've seen two things. One of the things I've seen is basically digital thermometer that connects. It's a smart one that connects with your phone, and I think it has like Wi-Fi built in or whatever. It sends signal. I guess how hot is your meat in the grill or whatever you're cooking. It looks pretty interesting. When I showed it to my wife, she's like, I want one, So I'm like, okay, good. I already have a first customer. So anyways, I was able to pick those units up for $5 a piece. There was 8 of them. And my profit on them is going to be $7 a piece. So even if it was at $5 a piece, I'm obviously going to make about $40. Well, so let's just say I'm going to make $50 on that. Why am I saying that? If I'm selling it like basically $18 a unit, I'm already removing the shipping from it, the shipping and Amazon fees. And then it was another item over there. It's these Lego masks for kids. There was 51 masks. They were already on clearance for $1 a piece, and then they marked them down to 10 cents a piece. I bought the entire lot, 51 masks, for 10 cents a piece. So I paid basically $5 for it. That is going to make me between $50 and $100, because if I bought them for $1, the shipping is going to be so little on that. I was already going to profit $1, but I'll list them for $5 because actually that's the going rate for them, $5. So I'm guessing they're probably going to charge me, together with advertising fees and shipping fees and handling, about $3. So I'll probably make $2 on it. So that's between $50 and $100 that I'll make in that. So just by visiting Walmart, spending about 20 minutes in the store, I was able to walk out of there with $150 potential revenue. And I only spent less than $50 for all these things. Of course, you gotta spend money to make money, guys, and that's actually what I'm doing. I also been visiting the dollar store, but not too exciting. Most of the stuff for $1, it's worth you could sell it for between $3 and $5 on Amazon. But so many people are doing it, guys, that product is just gonna sit there on the shelf at Amazon, and chances are you're not gonna really profit to begin with. There is ways to do it though, and that is to be smart and bundling 5 items at a time. Let's say it's kitchen supplies. Find something that could be used together, and you bundle that and put your own brand on it and your own UPC on it. And I have my own UPCs from GS1. It's kind of expensive, but I got it. I'm the owner of my UPCs. I have 500 UPC labels. So I'm thinking I might try to do some private label like that. If things do start selling on Amazon like that, when I combine 5 items and I would sell it for $20, then shipping is going to be a little bit reasonable, and I could actually make maybe $5 on each sale, which would be nice. So then I would actually order something similar from China and get them to package it for me and stick my stickers on there. you know, and go from there, you know. So yeah, that's basically would be kind of nice, you know, to use dollar store to learn what goes good, what not, because it's basically a big store that's nothing but Chinese goods in there. So you can get that stuff not for $1 in China, but maybe 10-20 cents each, and if you get a lot of them, you know, and then you can make some money, because five of those items will probably cost you $1 to make in China, you know. So it's a way to go for sure. But I'm thinking to actually make money by not really trying to bundle and go the headache route, it's a good idea to just go to clearance sections, whether it's Walmart, you know, or other stores that's out there, and try to scan the item when it's really on sale and buy it at that point. Figure out if you have to shipping and fees, if you're actually going to make money. If you are, go ahead and pick that item up. I'm like always looking towards profiting basically 100%. If I invest $1, I want to make $2 basically, and making my dollar back, and basically, you know, reinvest in the, you know, those dollars again. So that's the way I like to do it. But the normal thing is, if you profit at least 30 cents, I mean at 30%, that's already great, you know. So I think if I'm going to be selling like private label type of item, like something that I have a large quantity of, then making 30% on the sale, it's not so bad, you know. I think it's going to be still worth it, you know. But anyways, guys, that's what I learned when it comes to items. I also learned that it is possible to sell Amazon items on Amazon FBA by sending it in and doing it at the same time you're doing your expedite work. You'll need a computer, you'll need a printer. It's going to be best to go ahead and set up a computer stand, like computer mount, laptop mount in your Sprinter van or whatever van you have. put your computer on it, and maybe on your seat somewhere, put a printer there, and print all your labels, everything you gotta do, your shipping labels. Have nice professional scales for weighing your items right in the van, and you could store everything, all your supplies, probably in front of the seat where you sit, or like in your toolbox in the back, like if you have them like me. And if you get a load or something, nothing's gonna be in the way, because right now I actually got a couple boxes behind this seat, and I got a load back there, and you cannot really even see it, you know. So basically you could do it together, guys, while working. But one thing I did realize, guys, and this is like seriously true, you gotta do this on the go. You gotta be able to do this on the go, because if you're busy with expedite, you're not gonna have time to ship anything. You're not gonna have time to go somewhere and do all this stuff. This is why you gotta do it on the go. So if you park somewhere, you're not doing anything, go ahead and use your computer, put your items in there. You might need to have like some kind of Wi-Fi somewhere, park somewhere where there's Wi-Fi, or pay for Wi-Fi, you know, for your laptop or whatever, you know. Then you'll be able to run your business out of your Sprinter van. So it's like a shipping office on wheels, a business on wheels basically. So I'm gonna do that. But anyways, guys, that's all I want to say. I'll be updating you guys on anything else that I learned. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Good luck to you guys, and God bless you. Bye-bye.